In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see monthly sales in Xero. Navigating through accounting software can sometimes feel like wading through a labyrinth. But don't worry, I'm here to simplify the process for you. Whether you're new to Xero or simply need a refresher, these steps will guide you through seamlessly. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Xero account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub, offering a bird's-eye view of your financial world, providing you with a snapshot of how your business is performing. On this dashboard, there's a specific area you want to focus on, called the Account Watchlist section. This section acts as your gateway to understanding your monthly sales figures. It's like having a mini financial advisor right there on your screen. Once you've located the Account Watchlist section, you'll see your monthly sales are prominently displayed. This quick snapshot is invaluable. It allows you to see at a glance how much revenue you've generated over the past months, providing crucial insights into your business's financial health. Such immediate information is perfect for quick checks. But what if you need to delve into the details? Sometimes, businesses require a more granular view of their financial data, which is completely normal. Whether it's to analyze trends or respond to shifts in your revenue, deeper insights are often needed. Luckily, Xero makes this easy. If you're looking to explore more details, all you have to do is click on the sales value shown in your account watch list. It's a simple click that opens up a world of information specific to your needs. By clicking on that sales value, you'll be taken directly to your sales transactions. This is where you can drill down into a more comprehensive breakdown of your monthly sales, including every individual transaction that contributes to your total sales figure. This level of detail can be incredibly useful for analyzing your sales data, comparing performance over different time frames, or even preparing reports for stakeholders who need to be kept in the loop. And remember, if you hit any snags along the way or have questions, Xero's support documentation and community forums are always available. These resources can offer you more tailored guidance, so don't hesitate to use them as needed. Being informed about your company's sales is vital for making strategic decisions, and now you know exactly how to access that information through Xero with ease. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to view your monthly sales in Xero. For more accounting tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.